every student learns at his own pace. Every student has different requirements, and unless you convey to the teacher like what So, to the students of IS Gurukul, I would advise you a very, I would wish you, I first of all wish you a very bright future ahead. And I agree with whatever Pranay said. They definitely work in the exam. Definitely, answer writing is a very important part of this examination. For sociology, especially because it's a writing intensive optional, and you need to get into the groove of answer writing. You really need to get into the groove for that, so that your answers are, they can be up to the point. They can contain all the relevant information. So that is an important aspect, and interaction is also a very important aspect because every student learns at his own pace. Every student has different requirements, and unless you convey to the teacher like what exactly are you expecting of him, what exactly are the points wherein you are getting stuck. So I would say that interaction and answer writing are both very important part of your preparation, and my best wishes are with you. Thank you.
Although studying at Gurukul, I'll tell you that whatever you're studying, try as far as possible not to focus on memorizing it without understanding it, because it will become much more difficult for you, and I don't think you'll be able to write as great as you could if you really understood what you were doing. For your optional sociology, I would say it doesn't matter what optional you take, because ultimately, if you look at the list again, everyone from different optionals is there. Your optional is not going to be the single deciding factor or for either your success or your failure. Whichever optional you have, you need to focus on making the best use of it. This will come through practice, through answer writing, and through conceptual clarity, which means that if you have any questions, you should raise them, try to get them clarified at the earliest.
So, firstly, greetings to the students of IS Gurukul. I'm Aditya and I'm really happy to talk to you. First thing I need to tell you guys is that you've made exactly the right choice. As far as to what things you need to do to get good marks in this subject is firstly to attend your classes regularly. Don't miss anything. All notes you gather in the class will be extremely useful for you to clear the paper. You'll get a lot of concepts very easily in a very good form, palatable, just ready to digest. Secondly, make use of all the sources which you have. We live in the era of the internet, so make use of that and establish a good discipline. Please do that, because the syllabus, even though they say it's short, but it can look giant if you are not regular in making your own notes. So establish a good discipline, establish a timeline for yourself that in this much time I have to finish my syllabus. Do that, and it's extremely easy. You will be able to do it once you get your notes made. Then the only thing left to do is revise and give test series. Just finish your notes and then you are battle ready. And that is exactly what you need to do for this exam. Don't look into many useless resources. Just conserve your energies and focus it completely on this exam. And as I always say to every aspirant, take extremely good care of your health. That is the most primary thing to do even before this exam. Sociology is a very interesting subject and it's an extremely scoring subject. And you'll have a great time studying it and preparing it for the examination.